Good day to everyone. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 23 of Sales Training Program. Why one shall buy? One of the most significant parts of selling, the indispensable step upon which the whole sales process depends, is your ability to identify the needs of your prospect accurately. The basics of buying. As a fundamental principle, every human action is aimed at an improvement of some kind. People buy products and services because they feel they will be better off as a result. They not only feel that they will be better off as a result of buying your product or service, but they also feel they will be better off than if they bought some other product or service. Why one shall buy? In addition, the customer must be substantially better off with your product or service than he is without it. It cannot represent a small increment in value or benefit. The improvement in the prospect's work or life must be great enough to justify the amount of money you are charging plus the amount of time and energy it will take to implement your solution. Buying resistance. People value freedom above almost all other benefits of our society. When they have money available, they have a certain degree of freedom. They have choices and options. They can do a variety of different things. This desire for freedom is a major reason people hesitate to part with their money for any reason. If a prospect buys from you, he gives up a certain amount of the flexibility and freedom that he had before giving you the money. If he buys a product from you that is unsatisfactory, he no longer has the money and is stuck with the product. Since every prospect had this experience more than once, there is always a certain amount of buying resistance. This is the end of part 23 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. You can contact me using the telephone numbers available in the screen. Kindly subscribe so that you can view more videos in the subject. Thank you.